In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get a flute in Arc Raiders. If you've heard people talk about a flute, what they're usually referring to is the recorder item, which functions the same way and is the one you'll actually see in the shop. Getting it is quick once you know where to go, and I'll walk you through it so you don't miss it when it rotates in. First, make your way to Speranza. This is the main hub area where you handle most of your trading and upgrades. Think of it as your central marketplace and safe zone. Once you're there, open the main menu and look along the top for the Traders tab. It's part of the standard navigation at the top of the screen, so you don't need to go wandering around to different stalls in person. Just click into Traders to see the list of vendors available. From the list of traders, select Apollo. Apollo's shop is where the recorder shows up when it's in stock. His inventory changes, so don't worry if you don't see it immediately on your first visit. When it's available, you'll spot the recorder right in his shop selection. The price is 3,000 of your in-game currency for each one. Make sure you have enough on hand before you go in, because if you're short, you won't be able to complete the purchase. A quick but important note about availability. The recorder is a limited item that restocks. That means the shop carries only a certain quantity at a time. And once it's sold out or rotates out of the current offerings, you'll need to wait for the next restock. Restocks happen periodically, so if you don't see it today, check back later. If you do see it, grab it while you can so you're not waiting on the next rotation. If the recorder isn't listed, that usually means it's either sold out or not in the current rotation. In that case, there's nothing you need to fix on your end. Just keep an eye on Apollo's shop and revisit the Traders tab from time to time. Also, prices and rotations can change with updates, so consider this a general guideline. That's all there is to it. Head to Speranza, open the Traders tab from the main menu, choose Apollo, and purchase the recorder for 3,000 when it's in stock. Simple, reliable, and the easiest way to get your flute in Arc Raiders. Happy hunting, and enjoy making some music out there.